Hello, in this video I'm going to explain the hydrodissection and hydrodelineation. Starting with the hydrodissection, it is the process of separating the lens matter from the lens capsule by injecting fluid in between. And to do this maneuver, first the viscoelastic material has to be evacuated from the interior chamber to prevent capsular block. Let's see this simulation for the maneuver. A cannula is inserted between the lens capsule and the lens cortex, and then the fluid is injected until a complete wave is seen. After that, you can rotate the nucleus to make sure that the process is complete. Let's watch that again and notice the posterior wave of the fluid. And if the maneuver is not complete from the first point, just make the hydrodissection at different points until you can notice the presence of a complete posterior wave of fluid. Let's watch that in real life. At the first point of hydrodissection, the wave was not complete, so the hydrodissection was repeated at different points. While doing the hydrodissection, and especially at different points, make gentle pressure on the surface of the lens nucleus in order to prevent accumulation of fluid behind and so prevent capsular block. But what is a capsular block? It is accumulation of fluid behind the nucleus, which pushes the nucleus forwards and leads to blockage of the capsular axis, and so the accumulated fluid will escape from the posterior capsule after perforating it. And now moving to the hydrodelineation, it is the process of injecting fluid between the lens nucleus and the epinucleus. This will separate them from each other. And to do this maneuver, the cannula is directed between the lens nucleus and the cortex. The fluid is injected until a golden ring is seen. So, hydrodissection is separating the lens capsule from the lens matter by injecting fluid in between until you can see a posterior wave. And hydrodelineation is the process of separating the epinucleus from the nucleus by injecting fluid in between until a golden ring is seen. And don't forget to remove the methyl and make gentle pressure on the nucleus to prevent capsular block from happening while doing these maneuvers. Thanks a lot for watching.